I'm diving deep into the world of Aeon stock to see if it's really about to explode. Can I figure out the next big move before it happens? Aeon stock has been on a lot of investors' radars lately, and for good reason. As a company, Aeon has established itself as a major player in its industry, and its stock has consistently been one of the most talked about in recent years. So, what's been holding Aeon back from reaching its full potential? Well, for one, the current market volatility has made it difficult for investors to make sense of the stock's movements. One day it's up, the next it's down, and it's hard to pinpoint exactly what's driving those fluctuations. Another major challenge Aeon has faced is stiff competition from its peers. With so many other companies vying for the top spot, it's been tough for Aeon to really stand out and differentiate itself. Adding to that, some recent earnings reports haven't exactly been promising, which has led to a lot of speculation about the company's ability to bounce back. And let's not forget about the ongoing trade tensions, which have been putting pressure on the entire industry. It's been a tough road for Aeon, and a lot of investors are wondering if the stock is worth the risk. Despite all these challenges, Aeon has some major factors working in its favor. For one, the company has been making some pretty significant investments in new technologies, which could pay off big time in the long run. Additionally, some major analyst firms have been upgrading their outlook on the stock, citing Aeon's strong management team and solid financials. And if we take a closer look at the charts, we can see that Aeon's stock has been forming a pretty bullish pattern, which could be a sign of things to come. Another thing that's got me excited is the recent news about Aeon's partnerships with some major players in the industry. These partnerships could lead to some huge revenue boosts, and could be the catalyst that sends the stock soaring. And let's not forget about the company's strong track record of innovation, which has always kept it one step ahead of the competition. So, what's the pivotal moment that could indicate whether Aeon stock is on the verge of a significant breakout? For me, it all comes down to the company's next earnings report. If Aeon can deliver some solid numbers and show that it's really turning things around, that could be the spark that sets the stock off. On the other hand, if the earnings report is lackluster, it could be a major setback for investors. But even if that happens, I still believe that Aeon has the potential to bounce back in the long run. The company has a strong foundation, and with the right moves, it could still be a major player in the industry. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Aeon stock has faced some significant challenges, but it's also got some major factors working in its favor. Whether or not it's about to explode is still unclear, but one thing is for sure, it's definitely a stock worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Have any other stocks you'd like me to analyze? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to check out my other videos for more market insights and analysis.